Our tour of Bratislava begins with a view of the Gothic St. Martin's Cathedral, the largest religious building in Slovakia. Meet Chumil, leaning out from the manhole and observing passers-by. He's a symbol of embracing life's moments. Right next to him, you'll find a sign that says, "Man at Work," as people have unintentionally bumped into Chumil more than once. At the threshold of the main square, we're greeted by Shona Nasi, a legendary resident known for his elegant attire and exceptional kindness. Hlavné Námestie is the central square of the city, featuring the Old Town Hall and Roland Fountain. Don't miss the chance to take a photo on the bench with the Napoleonic Soldier Monument. Michalska Brana is the only preserved city gate from the medieval fortifications, originally built in the 13th century. It was undergoing renovation during the filming. Zamočnícka Street is one of the oldest streets in Bratislava, not only rich in history but also picturesque. On the left, you'll find the Church of the Franciscans from the 13th century, the oldest existing religious structure in Bratislava. We're at Franciscan Square. The old town in Bratislava is a beloved and popular destination among tourists, especially as it's just a short distance from Vienna. Consider exploring both cities, perhaps with a cruise on the Danube. Straight ahead is the historic Marian Column, and to the left is the Jesuit Church. Franciscan Square connects with the main square, hosting a charming Christmas market during winter. Now, a fun fact. In the tower of the old town hall, a cannonball fired by Napoleon's soldiers over 200 years ago is still embedded in the western wall. Primatil Palace in Bratislava, built on the orders of the Hungarian archbishop in the 18th century. The famous Hall of Mirrors serves as the location for Bratislava City Council meetings. On the left is the current City Hall of Bratislava. Nedbalova Street near Nedbalka Gallery. If you appreciate art, it's worth a visit, and you might capture a great photo here. The historical building of the Slovak National Theatre on Hviezdoslavovo Námestie. This square emerged as a promenade in the 17th century after the dismantling of old city walls. In the background, on the left, is the Slovak Philharmonic, and on the right, we see the historic Carlton Hotel, which since 1905 served as the site of the first cinema in Slovakia. This artistic installation practically begs for your likes and subs, so you won't miss anything in the future. We see a bronze model of Bratislava, indicating we're on the promenade along the Danube. The old town in Bratislava turns out to be pleasantly intimate, and our stroll concludes by the Danube's edge. In the distance, you can spot one of Bratislava's symbols from the time of Czechoslovakia, the UFO tower on a bridge, housing an observation deck restaurant. On the Danube in Bratislava, you can take boat trips to Vienna and Budapest. Some ships serve as hotels and restaurants, and there's even a ship brewery moored on the opposite bank. Visited Bratislava or planning to? Share your thoughts below. Thanks.